Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites so installation proceeds smoothly. First, check your Windows edition and confirm Defender is supported. Most modern home and pro builds include it. Once done, install any pending Windows updates and restart, because Defender components often arrive via Windows Update. Make sure you're signed in as an administrator or have credentials ready. This avoids permission blocks during enablement. These steps prevent conflicts and set a clean baseline so the Defender setup can complete without interruptions. Now you enable and configure Windows Defender so it actively protects you. Open Settings, go to Update and Security, and select Windows Security, then open Windows Security to access the dashboard. From there, visit Virus and Threat Protection and enable real-time protection if it's off. This starts on-access scanning. Also turn on cloud-delivered protection and automatic sample submission to improve detection using Microsoft's analytics. Finally, review controlled folder access and exclusions. These settings fine-tune protection and reduce false positives as you use your PC. Finish by validating that Defender works reliably and know one key fix if it doesn't. Run a full scan immediately and check protection history to confirm updates and signatures applied correctly. Make sure the Microsoft Defender antivirus service, WinDefend, is running in services. MSC, restart the service if needed. If you still see issues, check for third-party antivirus conflicts. Temporarily disable or uninstall that product, reboot, then re-enable Defender settings. This single troubleshooting tip resolves the majority of.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.